Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the GIF tab in Explaindia 4.0. So I've got a project open here. This is the scene we created in an earlier video in which we added an animated GIF of an eagle and applied a few animation points. If I close the canvas, you'll see that the eagle flies across the canvas, flapping its wings like so. If I go to the GIF tab, you'll see a few options here. Let me do a quick scene preview and then pause it halfway through. These two buttons up here allow you to flip the GIF image vertically and horizontally, but as you can see, in this particular case, only one position works okay. The Change Position button opens the canvas and allows you to make any adjustments to its position. Let me close the canvas. This Play for control displays the default number of frames of the animation. So for example, if I uncheck this loop box, you'll notice that the eagle stops flapping its wings midway. Now, if I increase the Play for frames to over 100, you'll see that it loops the animation, causing the eagle to continuously flap its wings, so it's similar to the Loop GIF option. The Smooth GIF checkbox helps create a smoother animation. And finally, the transparency slider allows you to control the transparency of the GIF image. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.